We all know what happened when the lockdown started and all of us had to abruptly move to remote work. However, none of us are prepared for what is happening now as lockdown is ending. Most employees now do not want to come back to the workplace because they're acquainted with the benefits of remote work. Remote work, however, is not feasible for every company. For example, for Tanfeed, remote work is just not practical due to the size and the diversity of services provided by them. For this reason, they wanted us to come up with a hybrid model that would meet their company's needs. After having the solution for a hybrid model, Tanfeed needs to do more research in order to make sure that the hybrid model fits the need of the company. And for that, we advise them to use the focus group. The focus group will tackle the changes that need to be made in order to make sure that the hybrid model is practical for Tanfeed. One of the changes is definitely going to be the amount of autonomy and independence given to the employee. When coming up with a hybrid model for a company on this scale, it is important to consider the different needs of employees working in a company. This rules out the possibility of a uniform hybrid model, hence, it makes it more practical to give employees some sort of autonomy over their work schedule. This will not only make the hybrid model more organizable, but it will also increase employees' productivity as it will increase their confidence within the company. Another thing that is going to have to radically change is the job dynamic of the employees. An employee that is working from home requires some skills that employees in the workplace do not require. For example, proactiveness is one of the skills that an employee who's doing remote work needs to have, especially considering that there's no physical supervision given to the employees, so they need to supervise themselves to complete their task on time. Moreover, every employee needs to be able to perform most tasks within a team. The reason for that is that some tasks need to be done at the workplace, and by increasing the number of people who can do these tasks, we will reduce the number of employees that do not benefit from this hybrid model. For the composition of the focus group, we decided to keep it precise yet diverse. So we decided to have one team from each department involved in the focus group. This will make sure that the research and the decision that the focus group provides is inclusive of everyone's point of view. Due to the urgency of the matter, we suggested Tanfeed to apply this research for a month before applying the hybrid model to the whole company. Having a focus group like this will not only reduce the research cost, but it will also make sure that the hybrid model that Tanfeed comes up with is inclusive of everyone. And the goals for the focus group are going to be coming up with a hybrid model that meets every employee's needs, meanwhile also making sure that it increases productivity within the company. Thank you.